today is Vlogmas day 4 and we're gonna do a wig install to get ready for this trip. So of course we gotta customize her, so we're gonna go in with the BW2 bleach and the 40 developer. I was gonna get the big developer, but that price wasn't pricing, so I was like, let me just get this little bottle and go about my day. So we're gonna mix that up till it start looking like toothpaste, and then we are ready to go. Now for this part, I know y'all got a grocery bag around your house somewhere, so just grab that so you won't make a mess. Put it on your wig head and then start applying that bleach. And I know I probably should have combed some more hair back, but look, I was just so excited to get this done so I can install it. So we let her sit for a few minutes, not too long, because we don't want a yellow scalp. And now we about to rinse it out. Get all of that out and do a thorough wash. And now it's giving scalpiana. Look at that scalp. Yes, ma'am. So we're gonna let that air dry. Now that she is dry, we're gonna go ahead and start plucking to get this hairline together, because who wants that? Who wants that straight line as a hairline? Not me. Now it's time to pluck for your life, pluck for the gods. And if you don't know how to pluck, go watch Tay Masterclass. It's here on YouTube. Comb it back and let's see how it looks so far. Okay, it's giving. It's giving. So I didn't know if I wanted a middle part or a side part, but it's giving side part. My phone ended up dying, but here is the final look. Yes, get into that scalp. Ooh, I can't wait to install this. Let's get it. Yes, girl. Bow Wow braids for the win. So now I'm going to put the wig cap on, and then we're going to cut the ears out. Okay, now that the ears are out, it's time to pull out the glue spray. And I don't know why I kept shaking the bottle like it was nothing left in there. That bottle is very much still full. Now we're gonna add some heat using the blow dryer. This just helps the glue dry faster. Okay, so for this part, I do this, but you don't have to do this. I sew my cap to my braid so that it can stay in place. All you need is one little stitch around the back and you good. Now that our stitch is in, it's time to cut, because we don't need all of that. And I know I can cut some more on my forehead. Listen, we not done. Trust the process. Trust the process. Oh my God, I hate these scissors so bad. They don't even cut good. Why did I even grab them? Okay, now it's time to go in with some glue. And since my wig is only a closure wig and it's a side part, we only gonna put it in that space right there. Bring out the heat again. Now it's time to put the wig on since our glue is nice and tacky. And right here, I knew immediately that I didn't like it. The cap was too light. But one thing about it, we got a trick for that. We got the Knots concealer. So I'm gonna just put that on. And then on the other side, it comes with a brush. So we just gonna brush it in. Okay, now watch this. Yup. Yes, ma'am. That color is way better. Yeah. Come on, Waterwave. Yeah. Come on, Inches. Yeah. Yes, ma'am. Okay, let me hurry up. So we're gonna go in with the back of the comb and we just gonna brush that lace onto that glue to secure it. And now we're gonna tie it up. Yeah, that part is giving very much scalp. Yeah, cause it's my hair. What wig? Oh yeah, I'm about to be on my trip looking real cute. Yeah. Okay, playtime is over. Time to cut this lace. And yeah, I got my good scissors now. Y'all not about to talk about me. Yeah, I be so scared when I cut lace. It's like I'm a surgeon doing surgery. I be super focused. Wait, because I ain't even cut the other side yet and it look good. You would never know until you zoom in. All right, let me cut that. And just like that, we're done. Let me know what y'all think, and I'll see y'all in my next video.